Using a bench that is knee height or a standard chair, you're going to stand on your left leg and you're going to reach your hips back as if sitting back into that chair simultaneously while that opposite leg swings forward. Keep your chest up, use your arms to counterbalance and reach forward. The point here is to work you towards doing a full single leg squat all the way down to the ground. So make sure that left leg is totally in charge. Alternatively, if you need a little bit of assistance, use something at your side to help you during the lowering phase and to stand up. Just simply use something for balance. Exhale as you stand.